Alright, welcome to the video, guys. I'm just going to be explaining the newest spreadsheet that I've implemented for this 3D printing spreadsheet. So a lot of you guys have been asking for a way to just pre-populate the 3D print, so you don't have to like put in the information for all these different columns. So I more or less added that feature for you guys. You're welcome. So more or less I'm just gonna talk about how you do that. So we have this section right here. You can put in your product owner number. You can change these, but these are just whatever you use to reference the print entries, or the pre-populated print entries. So you have up to 25 they can do. If you need any more, you just let me know and I'll expand this. So you can do however many you want. But I'll just go through this. So you can put in your printer, like what printer you're using. So I'll just do printer 1, description, number 1, however many quantity you want, you can just do 1, number of parts per print, 1, doesn't matter. This is kind of optional, to be honest. That's just for if you have like multiple individual prints on the print bed and you want to take that into account, you can. Optional. Estimate time, let's just say an hour. Sorry about that. Total print time will show up here. If I double this, it's 2. Whatever. Then over here we have this section where you can put in your filament type and color, or filament color and type. So I'll just do standard black PLA, and then let's say prints like 100 grams. I'll put that there. And then, it's also including like red PLA, so I'll do that. 50 grams of that. And then you can have an option of like 8 different colors, however many you want. Well, not however many you want, but like up to 8. You can do that, and then I'll show you however many colors I use. So you use 2 colors, is the black and red, yeah. Then 165. It would be 160, but we have like a 10% margin on that from here, or for the material buffer, so that's that. I could change that, but I'm not going to. Anyways, you can also choose like your material type, so you can say PLA, matte, natural, ABS, whatever. You can use the other parts of the spreadsheets to customize your listings or your drop-down menu. Yeah, that's that. And then you can choose your price rate, so you can do standard, special, discount, whatever. You have like 2 options, or 3 main options. You have standard, special, and then material cost. The other ones, there's no pricing attributed to it. You can manually price those however much you want later. But yeah, so you'll have your base quote, $10 at the moment for your standard rate. If you want to mark it up, you can mark it up by 50%. So 10%, 50% of that, that's $20. And then over here you'd probably have to manually put in the material cost, because it's a little bit confusing in it. So put that there, put in your electrical cost. If you want to get these values, you'd probably have to use this spreadsheet. Just insert the information and then it will calculate for you. You can then insert it here. I'll just put like $1 and then 50 cents. Your profit margin will update automatically. Now let's put in your shipping costs. Put that there. If you want to apply your shipping costs to your final quote, it'll do that. So that's that. And then if you want to actually, so that's your pre-populating. You only have to do that once, and then you can reference it down here. So you have 1M. 1M corresponds to this. So I'm gonna hit enter, and then as you can see, all of this information up here has been populated down here. So now you don't need to input all the information, and it's not repetitive and time consuming. And then you can do that however many times you want. It'll auto-populate. So yeah, you can do that for 25. You can just place 25 of these in here, and you can call them up whenever you want. The original way was just put it in manually. We have to do this, insert this, optional. Put in this, that's calculated, and put in this. As you can see, it's a lot of work, but that's how I originally had it. For you guys now, you can use this. It'll be a lot easier on you guys, and I hope you enjoy that. Let me know if there's any questions or if there's any other updates you want me to add to the spreadsheet, and I'll make sure to see if I can implement it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good one. See ya.